Hello dear students, welcome to the digital classroom of Krishnajyoti Convent Senior Secondary School Bagpat. I am your teacher Abhishek Mittal and today we are going to discuss scene second of the play The Tempest. On another part of the island, Caliban, who is collecting fuel wood on Prospero's order, is cursing and abusing him for usurping his island, enslaving him and making him do menial jobs. So you know very well that Caliban was the son of witch Sycorax, who used to rule over this island before Prospero. So naturally, Caliban was the rightful duke of that island or the ruler of that island. But after Prospero came to that island, Prospero snatched that island from Caliban. But it was not all mistake of Prospero alone. It was because of the bad behavior that was shown by Caliban towards Miranda. Earlier, when he came on the island, Prospero came on the island, he used to treat Caliban just like his own son. He even taught him his own language. But when Caliban tried to outrage the modesty of Miranda, when he tried to rape Miranda, only then he made him as his slave and started making him do menial jobs. Then he sees Trinculo coming in his wild costume and thinks that he is another spirit of Prospero who is coming to torment him. So Caliban saw Trinculo coming wearing some different kind of clothes. Trinculo was wearing some different kind of clothes which Caliban has not seen earlier. So he thought it to be a spirit of Prospero. So he tried to hide himself and he lied down on the ground. Trinculo hears the noise of thunder and thinks that it is going to rain soon. He crawls under Caliban's loose garments to escape rain. So meanwhile Trinculo hears some noise of thunder. So he thought that it is going to rain heavily. So he saw Caliban lying and he thought it to be a good place. He did not recognize that Caliban is some living being. He thought it to be some kind of tree on which some clothes are hanged. So he just went under his loose garments to escape from the rain. Then enters Stefano, a clownish character. He was described as a drunken butler. So you know that Stefano is actually butler in the court in the service of King Alonso. So now he was drunken. So that is why he was called as drunken butler. He has been wandering about the island in a drunken state. At this time also he is quite drunk. On seeing Caliban, he is unable to make out what this strange looking creature is. So now Stefano came there at the place where Trinculo and Caliban were hiding under the same clothes. So he could not identify what creature it actually is. Okay, because it has 4 legs, 2 legs of Caliban and 2 legs of Trinculo. Caliban thinks that he is being tortured by a spirit of Prospero. So Caliban was thinking when Stefano was calling him out, when Stefano was trying to make him move, he thought that it is some spirit of Prospero that has come to torture him. Stefano pours out several drinks into the mouth of Caliban and as a result he feels elated. When Caliban did not responded, then Stefano, because he could see Caliban's mouth, he poured some drink into his mouth and which made Caliban elated, high-spirited. Then Trinculo makes some remarks. After a humorous conversation, Stefano pulls him out from under Caliban's loose cloak. Okay, then Stefano realizes that it is the voice of Trinculo and perhaps Trinculo is inside those clothes. So he pulled out Trinculo from the loose cloak of Caliban. They feel happy in each other's company and discuss how they escaped drowning. Now all the 3 men, they met and they were very happy seeing the getting the company of each other, and then they told each other how they have escaped, how they managed to escape from the tempest. Caliban has become tipsy after the drinks and tells Stefano that he will show him the island and catch food for him. Now Caliban became little he was like out of his consciousness, out of his senses. So he thought Stefano to be some god who has some heavenly drink. So that is why he was offering Stefano to show him the island and catch food for him and even make him the ruler of the island. All the 3, Caliban, Trinculo and Stefano, get drunk and then move away in a drunken condition. After that the 3 men started drinking and then they move here and there in their drunken state. I hope you have understood. If there is any doubt, you can discuss in the live class. Thank you and have a nice day.